Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the essentials. Now start. Log into WP Admin and open Products, right arrow Add New. Enter the product title first to anchor SEO, then write a concise description that answers buyer intent. Scroll to the product data box and select Simple or Variable Product depending on options. Add SKU and regular price right away. This prevents later inventory errors. Upload a primary image and at least one gallery image. Good visuals reduce returns. Once this is done, save a draft to avoid losing progress. Once done with the basics, fill the complex settings. Open attributes to add sizes or colors, check use for variations, then create variations and set individual prices, images, and stock per variant. In inventory, enable Manage Stock if you track quantities and set low stock threshold notifications. Configure shipping with weight and dimensions for accurate rates. Add short description for product pages and SEO meta if you use an SEO plugin. Preview the product to confirm variations and images appear correctly. Now finish. Set product category, tags, and visibility. Choose featured if desired. Review pricing, tax class, and cross-sells one last time. Use preview to test the product page, then publish or schedule. Immediately perform a test checkout using a sandbox payment method to confirm cart, tax, shipping, and confirmation emails. If something breaks, missing images, variation errors, or price mismatch, clear site and CDN cache, regenerate thumbnails, and resave permalinks. This fixes most display and routing problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.